Hi guys, my name is Ralph from Easy Car Detailing. A lot of people that I help from my experience with detailing their car ask me to share my thoughts and tips on the web. So hereby, I would like you to get familiar with my tricks to get your car detailed as a pro. But not with the hours and hours of work some detailers put in their car. I have no relation to a brand or commercial interest. I do this purely to help you. It would have helped me a lot if I could find this information easily in the beginning of my detailing experience. Today, I will show you how to get rid of tree sap on your car. It will take you not more than 60 seconds and it will cost you not more than $2. You will probably think nonsense, that is not possible. Well, let's take a look at the car together and treat the section so that you can see it with your own eyes. First, give the car a normal wash. You don't want to rub on your paint when there is still some sand or any other contamination left on the paint. Over here you can see a lot of tree sap spots. Just put a little drop on the tree sap spot, let it soak for about 40 seconds and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. What does the trick? Well, just a bottle of hand gel disinfect. Used to clean your hands without water and soap. You can buy it in every supermarket and it will cost you not more than $2. One of the ingredients it should have is ethanol or a bit of alcohol. Please take in mind that you divide one panel in 2 or 3 segments if there are a lot of tree sap spots to be removed. After you remove the tree sap spots, rinse it with a little bit of water and dry again with a microfiber cloth. Then the job is done. As you can see now, this is the entire roof. It took me not more than 10 to 15 minutes to clean it like this. In the past I tried many things, and yes, there are some proper tools around in the detailing world that will do the job as well. But most of these products are really expensive. One of the great advantages of this method is that you do not damage your paint and you will not scratch it. You can also use some rubbing alcohol, but I think that's a little bit more aggressive on the paint. And of course, the hand gel disinfect is much cheaper than rubbing alcohol, and after you finish the job, you can just use it in your house. Take in mind, once your car is cleaned like this, and you might also plate your car, it's best to give it a proper wax. Then it's more easy to get rid of tree sap spots in the future, because there's a protective layer between the paint and the tree sap. In one of my next videos, I will also guide you on how you wash and clay your car easily as a pro, and all the steps in polishing or ceramic coating. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and it would be great if you would like to subscribe and follow me. And get familiar with more tips and tricks I will share with you in the upcoming videos. For now, thanks for watching.